Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes CLK w209. This is a 2004 model, and I'm just gonna reset the service reminder here. So it says service A due now, and I will be resetting that. So basically what we need to do is actually, if you get the ignition on the second position, so just get the ignition on but don't switch the car on, and then look for the so once that disappears, we want to look for that. We just need to access that service reminder. So you just go with the arrows here and these two keys to get to that, and then you have this key here. So if you press and hold that key, it will access the reset menu. Press and hold and then release it, and then it says to reset, press reset button for 3 seconds. So we press that again for around 3 seconds, and then it says service interval has been reset. So next service A will be in 9,300 miles, and that's pretty much it. So now you can just switch the car, switch it off, switch on again, and you will no longer get the reminder there. So having said that, hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video, and give me the like if the video helped.